So today we're going to go through some of the energy gates, unlocking the meridians. So we'll start with rotating and tapping on the just under the ribs or on the ribs gently, and on the back with the other hand. So you can either keep the feet flat on the ground, or you can lift the toe and turn, or you can lift the heel. So you're turning with your body and try to relax your arms and just get enough of a twist to turn the arms without tapping too hard, without going too fast as well, so you don't get dizzy. I mean, if you're comfortable, you can become a human, what they call those drums that you spin. And if you step out to the side, you can tap on the ribs. You have to shift your feet quickly. And try to keep your hands relaxed, so you need to turn from the torso and the legs. And then going back to normal, shifting the weight from left to right, but there's also a slight turn from the quad, this area here, so that kind of folds in, twist from the spine. And then relax your arms as well, that's another key. And it's a very enjoyable movement. And then just feel your energy. Take some deep breaths.